Hi, this is Joe with Best Trailers. We're located in Byron, Georgia. Here we have today a 22-foot barbecue porch trailer. This one, we can do the configuration a number of different ways. This one's 14 foot of enclosed box and then 8 foot of porch. We can adjust that accordingly if you need a smaller or bigger porch, either way. This one has a 3x5 concession window on it with glass and screen. The exterior is the .08 polycore metal. Orange colored, semi-screwless, so the metal is glued on and then screws just on the seams. The blackout trim package. This one's got a sink package, which I'll show you shortly here. You got a water filled door for the sink package and a 50 amp motor base plug for your electrical package. It has the extended tongue with the generator platform for your generator. This one's also got an upgraded AC. It's got the mini split AC, mounts on the front here. 2 exterior lights, one on each side of the trailer. A serving shelf. You can really see that polycore. It gives it a real smooth look to it. Most of our concession trailers will have at least 5,200 pound axles on them. This one's got the 5,200 pound axles. You've got rubber coin flooring on the back, LED lights on the inside, as well as loading lights on the exterior. Interior, you've got mill finish aluminum walls and ceiling. LED strip lights in the ceiling. Plenty of receptacles on each wall. This one has 2 on the driver's side, as well as 1 more in the V, and then 3 on the passenger side. We continue with the rubber coin floor on the interior. It's a 1-piece rubber floor. Makes it super easy to clean. Well, easier to clean than the rubber tread plate. Color matched cabinets. 3-bay sink with your hand wash sink. The other side of the mini split. There's an access door on the outside of the trailer to get underneath the sinks. But underneath here, you'll have your hot water heater, all your plumbing, freshwater tank. You'll have a 35-gallon freshwater tank on these bigger trailers and a 52-gallon wastewater tank. This is the mill finish interior. We can do it in mill finish or white aluminum, either way. The back rail on the porch is removable, so you can pull that on and off. Now you can really see that reflection on that polycore. It's a thick metal, no ripples or waves in it. You can see the access door here with the panel box. Plenty of extra room underneath here for storage or whatnot. And again, this is an 8.5 by 22. We do longer and shorter versions of this same trailer. Now we can change the layout.